The Biggest Leaf Pile by Steve Metzger. He is the author, so that means he wrote the words. Illustrated by Jill Dewin. What do you think she did? Did she say draw the pictures? You are right, an illustrator draws the pictures. So in this book, there are species or types of trees mentioned. Later in the year, we will do a whole unit on trees and you will become experts at the names. It was autumn again, and the trees were covered with colorful leaves. What is autumn? What's another name for that season? Did you say fall? You're right. I'm so excited, said Red Oak. The wind will be here soon. And she's going to blow us into the air, said Purple Beech. So beech and maple and oak are all names of trees that are in our book, our characters today. They'll tumble to the ground, said Orange Maple. And we'll all be together, said Yellow Hickory. The leaves waited for the wind, and waited, and waited. Finally, there was a soft sound in the distance. I hear her, said Orange Maple. What? Said Yellow Hickory. It's the wind, said Red Oak, and she's coming this way. The wind arrived with a big whoosh. Could you wish like the wind? The leaves flew off their branches and floated high into the sky. They did somersaults and twists and loop-de-loops. Then they landed in a great big leaf pile. We're all together, said Red Oak. Just like we planned it, said Yellow Hickory. Orange Maple looked at Purple Beech. You're such a pretty color, she said. Thank you, said Purple Beech. I like the way the sun makes me shine. Red Oak looked at Yellow Hickory. It feels good. You're tickling me. Thanks for keeping me so comfy and warm, said Purple Beech. The colorful leaves loved their new home. Suddenly, a blue jay flew overhead. Hello down there, he called. What is it? Asked Red Oak. I've been flying all over the countryside, the blue jay said, and your leaf pile is the biggest I've seen. Really? Asked Yellow Hickory. Yes, it's probably the biggest leaf pile of the whole world, said Blue Jay. Wonderful, said Red Oak. For a few moments the leaves looked silently at one another. Finally, Yellow Hickory spoke up. If we're the biggest leaf pile in the world, then I should be on top, she said. Why is that? Said Red Oak. Because I'm the color of the sun, said Yellow Hickory. So the hickory leaf is the same color as the sun. No, I should be on top, said Red Oak. I am the color of delicious apples and strawberries. Do you remember what leaves were left? I wonder what they're going to say. No, it should be me, interrupted Purple Beech, because I'm the color of yummy plums and purple violets. No, me, said Orange Maple, because I am the color of Halloween jack-o'-lanterns and carrots. At once the forest floor began to shake. The leaves stopped arguing and froze with fear. Then they heard a low, rumbling sound. What do you think it is? Let's make a prediction. I think it's an animal, said Yellow Hickory. What kind of animal would make that noise? Said Red Oak or Orange Maple. The animal began to growl as it went closer. It is a bear, they all shouted, and the bear ran straight for the leaves and jumped high into the air. Oh no, he's going to land on us. The big brown bear landed, bang, smack in the middle of the leaf pile. The leaves flew in the air. Hey, said Red Oak, this is kind of fun. After diving and floating and spinning, the leaves drifted back to the ground. This time the leaf pile was wider and lower than before. I guess we're not the biggest leaf pile in the world anymore, Orange Maple said. That's okay, said Yellow Hickory. Now we don't have to fight about who should be on top. And we're all still together, said Orange Maple. That's the best thing. The other leaves nodded happily in agreement as the big brown bear lumbered off toward its den. So how did the bear move? The author said the bear lumbered. Can you lumber like the bear? I wonder if he's lumbering, moving slowly, because he ate too much food to get ready for winter. What do you think?